It provides goodness, opportunities in our life. If at all you want to know more information about your birth chart, if at all you want to know where exactly your natal Jupiter is sitting in your birth chart, you need to book for the consultation so that I can provide 2 to 3 years of my time, and I can provide you the analysis, and you can keep that report for next 1 year, and you can keep referring to that report on different events that might occur in your life. Astrology is just everything, and the most benefic planet like Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn from Sagittarius is a really good sign for learning and also to get that positive energy in our lives. All right, so see you in the consultation. Book the consultation from the link mentioned in the description section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be sharing loads of information to you so that you can able to learn astrology on your own. All right, so see you in the consultation. Have a nice day. Bye. All right, for Virgo zodiac sign. For Virgo zodiac sign, debilitated Jupiter moves through the fifth house along with Saturn for your sign. Debilitated Jupiter moving to the fifth house has aspect over your sign. The influence leads progressive forces to work effectively. Debilitated Jupiter has direct opposition to the 11th house and also an eye over the ninth house. These influences enhance your prospect at all the levels. You develop friendly relationship with more persons. Aspect of debilitated over 11th house works well to benefit monetarily. We try to provide great analysis on career and business front and the personal front. Please watch carefully. From the career and business front, this movement of debilitated Jupiter seems supportive for business persons, whether you are in trade or manufacturing. Manufacturer opts for backward integration to become more competitive. Trader will have more freedom to perform and adds strength to his position on financial front. Career oriented remains happy with future growth prospects to look encouraging. A holistic growth for your career is important. If at all you want the Jupiter transit report in a more detailed format, please book for the consultation. The link is mentioned in the description. I can provide you complete analysis about Jupiter transit. With regards to finances, you will be able to increase inflow of money here. If planetary positions in your birth chart also seem supportive, you are in a huge financial gain. You remain in a strong position on financial front. No major expenses troubles will be there for you. Saving money remains on your priority list. Make your finances grow good. You will surely be able to do if you have proper guidance for it. So if at all you need more information regards to Jupiter transit, please book for the consultation. The link is mentioned in the description below so that I can able to help you with more analysis. With regards to health, in regards to health, no major health catches up with you. However, minor issue like common cough and cold can concern you. At the same time, you need to take precautionary measures to save from prevailing viral infection. Indulge in some light exercise suitable to you in the morning regularly to remain fit for the day. From the personal life perspective, you are to have a pleasant and enjoyable time. You remain busy partying and enjoy life with close friends. You need to keep communication live with influential persons who can enhance your prospects on work and financial front. If at all you need more analysis on Jupiter transit, please book for the consultation in the link mentioned in the below so that I can able to help you with the analysis.